What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. So you guys, today I am going to be making one of the recipes that I incorporated into my diabetic type 2 diet. It's really simple, it's really good, and I love cooking these because you can put them in the refrigerator and they last for about 3 to 4 days. But I am going to be making my breakfast egg muffins. You're going to need a muffin tin like this. You guys, this recipe is really simple. It takes no time to put together, and it goes in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. And you guys, this is one of those things that you kind of just put whatever in. You don't have to have any type of set ingredients. I just use whatever vegetables that I have on hand. Let me show you the ingredients that I chose to put in mine today. So you guys, like I said before, this recipe, you can pretty much use anything. Today I'm going to be using some turkey bacon, some red and orange peppers, some mushrooms. There's 6 eggs here, but I'm actually going to use 8. Some spinach, some spray, and some cheese. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the bell pepper and get everything sauteing in the pan, and I will be right back to show you what it looks like. Alright you guys, so I got my vegetables chopped up here. I left my spinach whole. You need about a 1/4 cup of spinach, and I'll say about a 1/4 cup of each one of these, or you can use however much you like. Some people like a lot, some people don't. I'm just going to put about a 1/4 cup of each. And I also have my eggs here that I beaten up now. I put it in this little measuring cup because I feel like it's easier to pour. I've seasoned it up with a little bit of Mrs. Dash, black pepper, garlic salt, and parsley flakes. If you just want to stick to salt and pepper, you're more than welcome to do that too. While you're getting your vegetables together and getting everything sauteed up, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. And we're going to go ahead and get these vegetables sauteing, and I will show you what that looks like. So I got my peppers here that have been sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach to this. And the reason why I don't add the spinach right away is because the spinach doesn't take that long, and the peppers take a little bit longer. So I'm going to just go ahead and get that sauteed in. And the spinach is going to wilt down to nothing, as you guys already know. And when that starts to wilt down a little bit, then I'll go ahead and add the mushrooms. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add the mushrooms now. Alright, so everything is done, and this is what it should look like. I cook mine until it still has a little bit of a bite, but you know, you want it to be a little tender. But I'd like it to have a little bit of a bite still. So let's go ahead and start assembling these little Egg McMuffins. I got my little muffin pan here, and what I'm going to do is, it's a non-stick one, but I still am going to spray it a little bit just so I can be very sure that they're not going to stick, because they have stuck on me before. And what I'm going to do is, you can mix this all together in the eggs if you want, you guys, but I just like to put a little bit in every one of the little cups. So whatever way you prefer, you can go ahead and do. Just put some in your little cups. And hopefully this makes 12, but sometimes, you know, I overfill the muffin tins or whatever. So let me just see how many this makes first, and then I can go in and adjust things. Some of them are a little short on the filling. So let's try 9 first. So I got my eggs here. This is 8 eggs. And like I said, you can season it with just salt and pepper if you want, or you can put whatever you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and you fill them about 3/4 full. You don't wanna fill them all the way because they are gonna rise. I'm gonna go ahead and just fill these. It's always a surprise how many they're gonna make because I swear every time I make this, it comes out different. So, well, it does. The recipe doesn't come out different, but like how many I can make does. So it looks like I can get probably about 11. So let's go ahead and scoop the rest of this in here. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise, guys. And the scraping. It probably would have been 12, but I'm sure that I overfilled a few of these because I can tell, but it's fine. So after we got that in, here's our turkey bacon. You can use regular bacon, you can use ham, whatever you like. And I just like to put it on top. Oh. I don't know why I just went all out of order and just went wherever with this, but it's all good. Everybody's gonna get a little love. Okay. And now I'm gonna add cheese on top. This is the best part, is the cheese. You guys, I like making these. They're just easy. Sometimes I like to, sometimes in the morning when I'm leaving for work, I don't have enough time. Sometimes in the morning, I don't have enough time to make any breakfast. So these are really easy to just grab and go. You can make them ahead. You can freeze them. They hold in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 days. I'll be back to show you what they look like when I'm done. So you guys, here they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make this recipe. If you do make this recipe, please let me know down below in the comments what you put in yours. You guys saw what I put in mine, but like I said earlier, every time I make this is different. So I'm just interested to know like what type of ingredients you would put in yours. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Know that your time is so precious. Hope that you know I respect it. I really do feel your perspective. Missing the feeling, the taste of your nectar.